Hi everyone, and welcome to Chi Living Yoga at Little Peace Farm. My name's Stephen Smith, and I'm the founder of Chi Living Yoga. For years I've helped people just like you bring yoga and mindfulness into their lives, even when they thought they weren't flexible enough, fit enough, or confident enough to begin. I've designed the Chi Living Yoga pathway and the Chi Living Life program to provide you with a step-by-step journey from complete beginner to confident yoga practitioner, all at home and at your own pace. Not everyone who wants to start yoga actually does it, and I wanted to find out why that was. So I surveyed a group of people on my social media groups and asked them what were the main barriers to them starting yoga. The top 3 answers were lack of time or cannot commit to a regular class, not flexible or fit enough, and self-conscious about being a beginner in a class of experienced people. With this in mind, I set about coming up with an online yoga program that would overcome all of these barriers. The result is the Chi Living Yoga pathway, a graduated range of online yoga classes that will take you from a complete beginner to a confident yoga practitioner, with yoga and mindfulness a part of your everyday life. I love this quote from Sally. Sally started doing Chi Living Yoga as a total beginner through a series of short lessons on social media, despite the fact that she was living with some serious medical issues. Now she regularly attends challenging weekend yoga retreats and, as you can see from the quote, has completely transformed her life. So what's all this going to cost you? Well, the average price of a single yoga class in the UK is £11. Here you can see the prices of the courses on the Chi Living Yoga pathway. The Start Your Yoga Journey course is 5 15-minute yoga classes for the complete beginner. Your Next Yoga Steps course is 2 30-minute classes and 1 60-minute class for people starting out on their yoga journey. And Going Deeper is a diverse selection of 7 classes, varying in time, length and challenge. Chi Living Life is the jewel in the crown of the Chi Living Yoga pathway. It's a monthly subscription package offering a library of full yoga class videos plus a new class uploaded every single week. Chi Living Life yoga videos are recorded in my face-to-face classes, so it's just like being in a live yoga class. The huge advantage is that you have unlimited access to the videos in the library, meaning that you can pause, rewind, repeat and break down these classes into smaller chunks. And if you're feeling energetic, you can string videos together to make up even longer classes. All of this from the comfort of your own home at a time that suits you best. And all of this for just £16 a month, £4 a week. Now, without any shadow of a doubt, the benefits of a regular yoga class vastly outweigh the benefits of an occasional practice. So I'd like to give you the opportunity to make yoga a regular habit in your life. If you sign up for Chi Living Life, then I'll send you a code that will enable you to get these beginner courses for free. Now, I believe also that mindfulness is a massive part of regular yoga practice, so as well as those bonuses, I'll send you a code for a mindfulness MP3 audio bundle, absolutely free. Imagine being able to access your chosen yoga class before you start your day, when you get in from work, after dropping the kids off at school, when you've had a tough day, or when you're feeling full of energy. To draw a line under the week, or to get the weekend off to a peaceful start. Imagine being able to do just 10 minutes of gentle stretching, or an hour of strenuous physical exercise, or even a 5-minute mindfulness practice. In fact, precisely what you feel like at any given moment. I'm supremely confident that Chi Living Yoga will bring you incredible physical and emotional benefits. But I've been teaching yoga for long enough to know that no one style suits everyone. So if you sign up for Chi Living Life and you find it's not for you, then you can cancel at any time. And if you're still unsure, I'll give you the opportunity to try a complete 45-minute Chi Living Yoga class. So let's take a moment to see what's on offer today. All 4 of the courses in the Chi Living Yoga pathway are available at super low introductory price, giving you immediate and unlimited access to the yoga videos on that course. But don't forget the big Chi Living Life offer. Sign up to Chi Living Life for just £16 a month to get immediate and unlimited access to the full library of yoga videos and a brand new yoga class every week. Plus the Start Your Yoga Journey lessons, plus your next yoga steps lessons, plus a guided mindfulness MP3 audio bundle. And don't forget the option of a trial of a full Chi Living Life class absolutely free. Yoga has changed my life and the lives of countless people who've taken part in my classes and courses. I want you to experience this too. I've put this offer together to give you the best possible opportunity to start making yoga and mindfulness a part of your life. You won't look back once you've started this amazing journey. I really hope I'll be seeing you on the mat soon, and then hearing your story of transformation.